Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jed. You're rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. Thank you all of you for checking out today's unboxing. And if you are new and into retro sneakers, unboxings, things of that nature, please consider subscribing. I think you'll like what we have on the channel. And take just a couple seconds to like the video. So as you can see, we have this dual colored box. We got the black, matte black with the shiny metallic gold, and you probably already know what it is, but let me show you guys. We got the Air Jordan 6 Retro DMP in a size 12, couple months early on this shoe. So as you can see, we got a UK size 11, which means we got this in the across the water overseas in England. Offspring, which is a retailer over there, dropped this on the original release date of January 25th. It was late in the evening, got the Soul Links notification, so I was able to fight the bots and copped a pair in my personal size. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. And as you can see, we had this little special paper here, which suggests that this was supposed to drop along with the other Unite sneakers that are dropping during All-Star weekend, but you know, they say the date has been pushed back to March or April, but we shall see. It might be a shock drop, so stay tuned for this shoe. But without any further ado, look at this thing right here. So first off, Jordan 6, Jordan won his first championship in this silhouette. A lot of OG heads really like this sneaker. My brother is one included. He's almost 40 years old. This is probably his favorite silhouette. He got the infrareds. So yeah, a lot of nostalgia, iconic moments happen in this shoe. Shoe originally released in a pack, the Defining Moments pack back in 06. So it's making its return to, you know, stores after a 14-year hiatus. And a lot of people saying, you know, oh, it's all right, it ain't that great. I'm like, BS. This shoe is it. I'm sorry. And, you know, I'm just saying, it's sleek, it's nice. Everything about it is just like what you would want, to me, in my opinion. Of course, you can say otherwise, and you're entitled to that opinion as well, but I think this is a very nice shoe. So just looking around, of course, we got this nubuck up here that's really deep and rich. Not just amazing, but it's not bad at all, I will say that. And we got these holes here. No 3M on this joint. So if you were wondering, no 3M on this particular shoe. The midsole kind of got a semi-glossy midsole, semi-glossy paint on the gold here, and then we got this icy blue midsole, and then on the inside the airbag, that's gold. Go ahead and look at the bottom, outsole black with a little gold Jumpman with the icy blue, as you see. And back heel tab. This is a really shiny metallic looking. Let's get that right. It's not metal, but it looks metal. Nice touch there. Back heel, black and broader Jumpman 23 right there. Then the tongue has a really nice looking Jumpman on this tongue, on this neoprene lace cover. And then we got the lace locks there. And of course, the iconic holes in the tongue, Air Jordan 6. So, yeah. Like I said, shoe was supposed to come out January 25th. No other retailer released them except Offspring. I'm not sure exactly when the retail drop is supposed to be. Some people are saying end of March, some people saying early April. But like I said, just stay plugged in. And here we are with the other shoes. Let me drop that right there. No different at all. I will say this, when I first got the shoe in, a couple of holes on the other shoe were not punched out. So maybe that happens to other people. I don't know. I don't buy many Jordan 6s. But this one, right, matter of fact, it was these two that kind of look kind of white on the inside. Those were not punched out. So I was able to kind of get them pried out. But yeah, just thought I'd let you know that. Of course, hang tag here. Let me see it. Air Jordan 6, June 12th, 1991. Defining moment. MJ's first professional championship. So there you have it. And looks good. No doubt about it. I wouldn't wear my shoes with it. Some of you will. I know it. Never fails. And I won't talk about you. At least not in front of your face. But I'll let you know that you should not do that. But anyways, dope shoe. I think retail is $220 if I'm not mistaken when it comes out. Of course, it doesn't have a price tag on here because it's from the UK and they don't do dollars over there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comments below. Now, I told you this is a must cop in my opinion. Let me know what you think. Can you sleep on it? And if you are, why? Tell me why. You gotta come up with some real legitimate reasons. Cause this right here, y'all getting hyped about the Black Cat 4s and all that. Boy, Black Cat 4s ain't got nothing on these DMP 6s. And I don't even want to hype it up, but I'm just saying. Like, I don't even like black and gold, and there's a long story as to why I don't. Grew up in a small town. Our rival school wore these colors, and I still don't like these colors, even though they do look good. But anyways, that's been it, guys. I'll probably come back and do a better maybe an on foot of these here in the next couple days when the weather gets right. I just wanted to show this to you. I know it's already videos out there, but hey, here's my 2 cents. And if you like it, you like it. You don't, you don't. But anyway, don't forget to follow the Retro Insider on Twitter, Instagram at the Retro Insider. Check out the retroinsider.com for more news, reviews, and all of that good stuff. But it's been real. Until next time, y'all take care. Stay humble and proceed.